It's my mom's birthday and we decided to go on a fancy cruise dinner. We're gonna take the 3 kids as well. What could go wrong? He might not make it in time. My mom. All 3 of the kids are napping right now. Once they wake up, I'll just get them changed and we'll all get in the car, pick up my parents, and then we'll head on over. I feel like I haven't dressed up in so long. Oh no, the baby's awake. Try to make baby sleep a bit more by swaying him, but unfortunately he is fully awake and I wanted him to have a long nap because he might get cranky if he doesn't. So, but I can't let that affect me. Okay, I'm gonna put some makeup on.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But I'll be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
I used to use a lot of eyeliner on the top, but when I do it these days, it doesn't work. I guess my face changed. Like my eyes are a bit droopier.
Long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
And these pants.
I'll be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Let's change that. Everything okay? Stanley, go get changed with Dada.
Hands up, otherwise they'll be too
You look nice, Ray.
Yeah, I found the flower.
Oh, you found a flower? Where?
Come.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yep. Mama, go.
Okay.
Mama, come.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Where's Ray's socks,
But
John?
I'll be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Okay,
way
Dada's
back a
gonna do
year
your
ago.
hair.
Ray?
Ray! Yeah, you can take that huge thing to the cruise ship.
자,
Hi.
시끄러.
Okay. There's no parking here, so my husband went to park and everyone has gone on the cruise ship. He might not make it in time. He said he just parked.
Get him, Hayato.
And what?
And run. I had him to run.
Help him
Should
run.
we call him again?
Okay, I'll call him. I think my brother just saw him running. hurry. And there they are. Run!
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, so that
Yay, we made it!
it's easy to use.
Everyone's
So
here.
all my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even
So yeah, just steering with one hand while I was holding the.
Oh yeah, you were holding the phone.
打に
Stanley is waiting downstairs.
Mm.
And there's a captain hat for you.
I don't know.
Birthday. Let's enjoy this cruise. Hopefully, not too much turbulence.
Is it a metaphor for life or is it something about like just this cruise?
This is yeah. But yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
海すげえ
綺麗だね。
海がある
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Coco. Happy birthday. Yeah, it's ice cream. Wow.
Lollipop. It's lollipop.
It's lollipop.
Banana.
Oh, that was fun. Bye bye, cruise ship. How was it, baby?
That's great. Yeah, it's nice. Weather was pretty good for it. Kids were good, so can't complain.